Christmas. Christmas village. This thing was what they had at Edinburgh 2 years ago. This is beautiful. Coconut.
Get some chestnuts.
Chocolate. Actually the very first time they have this thing here in cookies and chocolates, Wait, this is the lights that we've always had. The type of Christmas light that we've always had like for a long time now. And I'm hoping that they'll change it this year, but I guess not.